Welcome to TD Academy. This is Varnaka. Today we are going to discuss a powerful intraday technique. It is called as open high, open low technique, or also called as doublet technique. So in this technique we are going to screen the stocks using chartinc.com, and then we are going to analyze using tradingview.com.
Move on to this technique, let me discuss what is the logic behind this technique. So open low means investors are not allowing that stock to go below the open price, so it indicates bullishness in the stock. And when it comes to open high, the investors are not allowing the stock to go above the open price, that indicates bearishness in the stock. This is the logic behind open low, open high technique. So let us move on to the technique. So I have opened chartinc.com and I'm going to create a scan. So I'm going to click on this green plus symbol and select open equals low. So in open equals low, we look for buying opportunities, and we are going to select only the stocks in Nifty 100 because it is the top 100 companies listed in the exchange, and I'm going to run the scan. So here we can see list of stocks which has open equals low. So we look for buying opportunities in this stock, and I've also made another scan already for open equals high. So this indicates bearishness in these stocks, and we have to look for shorting opportunities in these stocks. And this scan we have to make it at 9:15 as soon as the market opens. So this is going to be a early morning trade. So let us analyze this technique in using charts in tradingview.com. So first we will go for open low stocks. So I've chosen Indigo here. So we are going to take first 5-minute candle as our reference candle. So this is our first 5-minute candle, and we are going to mark the low of this candle and high of this candle. In open low, the low of the candle will be our stop loss, and the high of our candle will be our entry point. And also I have used 9 days simple moving average. I am going to confirm that the stock is going above the high of the first 5-minute candle, and also that it is above 9 days moving average, and I am going to book profit as soon as the stock attempts to go below the 9 days moving average, as soon as it attempts to break the 9 days moving average. So this will be my entry point, this is where I will book profit, and this will be my stop loss. We will see one more example. So this is ACC, this is our first 5-minute candle, this is our 9-day moving average. I have marked the low and high of the first 5-minute candle. The low will be our stop loss, high will be our entry point. So I am going to take a long position as soon as the stock crosses the high of the first 5-minute candle, and I am going to book profit as soon as it attempts to break the 9 days moving average. This is open low. In this technique we can expect around 1% profit per day per trade. We should not expect more bigger profits in intraday. We should only stick to more of a scalping kind of a trade. And next we will go for open high technique. I've chosen 2 stocks here. First we will see Tata Consumer. So our reference candle is the first 5-minute candle. I have marked the high and low of this candle. So in this one, open high, the high will be our stop loss and the low will be our entry point. So I am going to confirm that it is breaking the low of the candle and also breaking the 9 days moving average. I am going to take a short position here as soon as it breaks, and I am going to book profit as soon as it attempts to cross the go above the 9 days moving average. So this will be my entry point, this is where I will book profit, and this will be my stop loss. we will see one more example for open high technique. So this is HUL, Hindustan Unilever Limited, and this is our reference candle, the first 5-minute candle. So this is the high, which will be our stop loss, and this is the low, which will be our entry point. So as soon as the stock breaks the low of the first 5-minute candle, and also it has broken the 9 days moving average as well. So I am going to take a short position here. This will be my entry point, and I will book profits as soon as a green candle closes above the 9 days moving average. So this is open high technique. We look for shorting opportunities, and this one is open low technique. We look for buying opportunities, and this is a early morning trade that we take as soon as we scan around 9:15 a.m. So this is our technique for today. I hope you have liked this interesting technique. Make sure you are trading with a strict stop loss. Stop loss is our best friend when it comes to intraday trading especially. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to learn many more interesting techniques like this, and you want to know in-depth knowledge about stock market, please join our institute, and thank you.